Hey, I'm Victoria. Today I'm going to show you a no-code way to create your own NFT collection on Polygon. Don't worry, you don't need any coding experience. It's actually really easy, and I'm going to show you how to deploy your own NFT contract and upload NFTs to Polygon. I'll guide you through the entire process in about 10 minutes, so we've got a lot to do. Let's dive in. First, let me introduce you to Thirdweb. Thirdweb is a comprehensive development framework that provides lots of tools, making it super easy to deploy and interact with smart contracts. Let's go to their website and check out their Explore tab. You'll find a variety of pre-made smart contracts already created by the Thirdweb team. We'll be using their NFT drop template for today's tutorial, so let's pick that one. Okay, quick side note. When you create an NFT collection, you usually have to deploy your own contract. However, this type of smart contract is quite common, so you don't need to create one from scratch. Tools like Thirdweb already have audited smart contracts for very popular use cases that anyone can use. The code is available for review if you want to double check it. So let's go back to the Thirdweb user interface. All right, it allows you to deploy your instance of their audited smart contract code directly from their website. All you need to do is provide some information about the NFT drop, such as a collection name, symbol, description, owner wallet address, creator royalties, and chain. Thirdweb even offers various EVM compatible chains, which is awesome. But in this tutorial, we're just using Polygon. So let's just select that for now and click deploy. All right, after signing the transaction with our wallet, we'll be taken to a new page featuring a user interface that enables us to manage and interact with our contract. I want to emphasize something here. Thirdweb does not own the contract we just deployed. They merely simplified the process and allowed us to use their NFT drop contract code while providing an easy-to-use app for contract interaction. All right, so let's explore this app. Although it might seem overwhelming at first, trust me, it's more user-friendly than interacting with the contract directly. The app offers tools like an explorer, displaying all the functions you can call in the smart contract. It even allows you to execute them from the UI. It also shows all the transactions associated with our contract. But most importantly for this tutorial, the app lets you add NFTs to your drop. If you click the NFTs tab, you can start uploading NFTs. I'm going to batch upload 1,000 NFTs. According to their instructions, you can batch upload NFTs by providing a folder containing all your images named sequentially and a single JSON file with all the metadata. And for the sake of time, I've already generated all the images outside of this tutorial. Here you'll see them labeled in ascending order, so 0.png, 1.png, etc., etc. I also have a corresponding JSON files for each image containing metadata about the NFT. And to generate my images, I use the Hashlips art engine for this. It's a fantastic tool. I'll include the link explaining how to use it below. You will notice my metadata is a little different. It's because me and my sister customized the Hashlips engine a bit. We made it a little more fun and gave our cavaliers more unique metadata descriptions. One thing the Hashlips art engine does by default is generate a single metadata.json file containing all the individual metadata files in one. Thirdweb only needs that single metadata JSON file and not all the separate ones. So let's drag it into our images folder and upload the entire thing. Voila, all our NFTs are uploaded. I'm going to double check that the images match the metadata. Thirdweb automatically paired them based on the image file names and the order in that metadata JSON file. Okay, after verifying a few, I can confirm that they match. So I'm gonna go ahead and click next. Now, the exciting parts. I have the option to decide whether the NFT images are revealed upon minting or if a default image is displayed until I choose to reveal it. The latter is a bit more exciting, especially for an NFT drop. So I'll select that and set a password, which I'll use later to reveal the NFTs. Very, very important. Do not forget this password. You'll never be able to flip your NFTs back to the revealed versions. Okay, but since I'm opting for the delayed reveal, I'm going to give the default image a name, description, photo. All right, we're all set. Now let's upload those 1,000 NFTs. I'll need to sign a transaction with my wallet at this step. This part might take a couple of minutes since all the images are being uploaded to IPFS in the background. But when it's done, all 1,000 pre-revealed NFTs will appear in the NFT tab within the Thirdweb UI. Now let's establish some rules on when these NFTs can be claimed and by whom. Thirdweb allows you to create a series of claim phases, and each phase can have a name, date, number of NFTs available, pricing for each NFT, etc. This feature is helpful because it offers flexibility and lets us release our NFT drop in stages. I'll start by creating an owner's phase that allows my sister and I to claim 100 of the NFTs for free. I can specify which wallets are included in this phase by updating the wallets in the example snapshot file. There's a number indicating the allocation per wallet in case I want to get specific. For now, I'll just enter our wallet address and add 100 next to it. I'll save and upload the snapshot. Okay, and I can now see that our wallet is whitelisted in the owner's phase. Fantastic, let's go. All right, I'll save this claim phase and sign another transaction. In general, you'll need to sign a transaction each time you interact with the contract. Now, let me show you how to mint these NFTs using an easy-to-use minting DApp. We can go to the Embed tab in the Thirdweb UI and customize our DApp's appearance. All the code we need is already captured in an iframe, so you don't need to write the minting DApp yourself. Thirdweb makes it incredibly easy. We can copy the iframe and include it in our website's HTML code. Let me quickly show you where in the site, or in my site, I'll place it. For this tutorial, I created a simple one-page website to add some flair to my sister, my Cavaliers. I want to incorporate the minting DApp at the bottom of the page. Looking at this, don't worry if you're not familiar with coding. You can add this iframe to any plain HTML page. It just won't have styling around the minting DApp, but the minting DApp itself will still work and people will still be able to mint NFTs. My site is running on a local server. I'll paste the iframe code where I want it and then reload my website. All right, cool. The Thirdweb minting DApp iframe now appears at the bottom of my page. That's all the coding you'll see in this tutorial. We're good. I'm going to quickly deploy my website changes with the new iframe link so that it shows up on my actual site's URL. My site is caviarcavalierclub.com. So let's navigate to the website and check out the newly deployed iframe. As a test, I'm going to select another one of my wallets that isn't part of the owner's phase and see if I can mint the NFT. All right, as expected, I shouldn't be able to because this wallet wasn't included in the snapshot I uploaded during the claim phase. But okay, now it's actually time to mint with a wallet that is able to. I'll switch back to my original wallet, the one that owns the contract and is in the claim phase snapshot. Now I can see the mint option and I can see that it's free to mint. I will have to pay gas, but thankfully since we're on Polygon, gas fees are super low. Once my mint goes through, I'll be able to see in the Thirdweb UI that the claimed supply is now 1 and the unclaimed supply is 999. I can even navigate to OpenSea, go to my profile, and see the newly minted NFT. I haven't chosen to reveal my NFTs yet, which is why you see the default image I uploaded earlier. However, when I'm eventually ready, I'll go back to the Thirdweb UI, look at the NFT tab, and click Reveal NFTs. I will need to enter that password I created earlier, so this is why it's important you do not forget it. All right, that's it for today. We have done a lot. We have deployed a smart contract to Polygon. We have uploaded 1,000 NFTs. We've deployed a minting DApp, and we have minted an NFT. So great job for getting through the video. I hope it was helpful. Please like and subscribe if it is. I'll be making a lot more content on Web3 and tech tutorials in general. Also, if you stay till the end, I have a little Easter egg for you. Head over to caviarcavalierclub.com and mint one of my NFTs. They're completely free, and I would just love if the people who watch my video own one. So thank you, and see you next time.